Everybody calm down! Everybody calm down! Video 967, let's fucking go! Okay, top level types. Right here we made some fucking mistakes. See this motherfucking thing? Hunk area? We're not gonna fucking use it. We got an error message inside of it now. We're not gonna fucking use it. See this space hunker type section with this new hunker constructor? Yeah, we're not gonna fucking use this either. We're throwing an error. Okay. We're not gonna hide our scars. Data by system right in here. Hunk hot. See this thing? We still need local level X and Y and the AXY branches of our explosion, but we don't need this fucking thing anymore. We got, this is a monkey wrench macro now. We're not gonna use this thing. Okay. Now, okay, hunk ring. Okay, so this is a monkey wrench macro. Here's the new refactor name, and here's the new output parameter. So this partitions a ring-shaped explosion into a tetrad object that chunks it into 4 partitions. Okay, and then right here, this section right here, I desire attention. That's an error, right? Because I don't know exactly what the function needs to do. We'll figure it out in another goddamn video. Okay, hunk laser system. So this right here, monkey wrench macro. Here's the new function name. So this takes a laser-shaped blast and partitions it into up to 4 chunks and puts it into a hunk tetrad. We'll figure this out in another video. Hunk jacks, okay? Monkey wrench macro. New function name with the new output parameter. Here's our new output parameter. A tetrad object. We'll do this in another video. Okay, hunk box, okay? This is a fucking monkey wrench macro. Here's the new fucking name that has a new output parameter right here. We'll figure this out in another video. And hunk hot, what is this? Well, this routes to hunk laser, hunk jacks, hunk box, and hunk ring, right? So this is a monkey wrench macro. Here's the new function name with the new output parameter. Here's our output parameter. Let's go down here. Okay, so this thing, no longer fucking using it because this is the new output parameter, hunk tetrad, the output hunk tetrad. So we're gonna use this down here. Here's our switch. I am a switch, right? So we're gonna take depending on if it's a ring-shaped explosion, laser-shaped explosion, jack-shaped explosion, box-shaped explosion, we will route to the correct function here. Hunk ring, hunk laser, hunk jacks, hunk box, and you can see the new part on the end, right? So the function name has changed, and the output parameter has changed. Okay, down here in bomb simp in emit from center functions, down here in bomb simp emit from center spark, if we scroll down here, right down here, we kind of move this stuff around. This is a monkey wrench macro now. We're not gonna fucking use this object. This is the new hunk tetrad we're gonna use. This is a monkey wrench macro, and right here we've changed the signature here. Right, this has changed right down here, and then over here, right down here, some footnotes. We're out of fucking time.